capture it. Like...
We're packed.
Yay!
Yay! Socks knows and she's upset. Pigeons, lemon balm, and onions. Greg. Saki's is understanding all of our shit that lives on our bed for safe travels, our water jugs.
Like, it's so long until we move that she just gets, like, she forgets what this actually means.
Yeah.
And then she's like, oh, fuck, I remember this.
Saki's, we're going to a new place. We're going to the beach.
She's like, oh, fuck.
Poor baby. Bro, the birds won't stop fucking. Oh my god. Guys. It's so cute. Oh.
Tail
Oh my
end.
god.
Tail end of the salmonberry.
They're really good. Hi.
I haven't climbed this thing since I was a kid.